The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Little Rock Police Department. Multiple reports have said that there is a red skull clay creature. The police are figuring out who is that creature. Stay tuned for more information on this developing situation. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Little Rock Police Department. The creature has been identified. The creature's name is Specimen 9. The military is being dispatched to exterminate Specimen 9. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Little Rock Police Department. Specimen 9 is killing people with red smoke. The military is trying to kill Specimen 9. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
These entities has no torso, no arms or legs, and have the red smoke virus. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Little Rock Police Department. Specimen 9 is growing in size after he kills people. The military is trying to extinguish Specimen 9. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. Please stand by. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems will transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is ABC 7. We will continue to serve in the New York City area. If you are not in this local area, tune into stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the New York City area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. We interrupt your programming at the request request of the White House. This is the emergency alert system. All normal programming has been discontinued during this emergency. This is ABC 7. We will continue furnishing news, information, and instructions for the New York City area. Tune into stations providing news and information for your local area. It is important to listen carefully for announcements from this station in your local area. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. Specimen 9 has grown 2 times bigger than its normal size. The big bombers are arriving to destroy Specimen 9. Now we will go back to the emergency alert system. This concludes all operations under the emergency alert system. This is Tom, the EAS guy.